Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into something special, the all-new 2025 Kia BONGO Camper Truck. This compact, versatile, and adventure-ready truck is set to shake up the camper market with its smart design, practicality, and affordability. If you've been looking for the perfect blend of a workhorse and a weekend escape vehicle, this one is for you. Kia has redesigned the BONGO for 2025, making it more adaptable than ever. The BONGO has been a staple in the light commercial vehicle market for years, known for its durability and reliability. But now, Kia is stepping up its game by turning this work-focused vehicle into a full-fledged camper. It's built on the same sturdy platform but now integrates thoughtful features to make it a perfect companion for road trips, camping, and even long-distance travel. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia BONGO Camper comes with multiple engine options. Depending on the region, you might find a 2.5-liter diesel engine that delivers around 130 horsepower and 255 lb-ft of torque. Kia has also introduced a hybrid variant to cater to those looking for better fuel efficiency. The hybrid combines a small gasoline engine with an electric motor, offering improved mileage and a quieter ride. With a smooth automatic or manual transmission option, you can pick the configuration that suits your driving style best. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 BONGO Camper is its compact size. Unlike full-size motorhomes or bulky camper vans, this truck-based camper offers a smaller footprint, making it easy to navigate city streets while still providing plenty of interior space for living and sleeping. Measuring approximately 5.1 meters in length, 1.75 meters in width, and with a height that comfortably accommodates a sleeping area, it strikes the right balance between portability and comfort. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a well-designed, functional interior. Kia has maximized every inch of space, offering a pop-up roof option that allows for additional headroom when parked. The camper layout includes a foldable bed, compact kitchenette, and even a small dining area. Some versions might come with a solar panel setup, allowing off-grid capability for extended trips. You'll also find USB charging ports, LED lighting, and storage compartments that make organizing your essentials a breeze. One of the standout features is the smart use of space. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner stove, a sink with a freshwater tank, and a mini fridge. While it's not as large as a full motorhome setup, it provides all the essentials needed for a comfortable camping experience. There's also an optional portable toilet and a retractable awning to expand your living space outdoors. Whether you're setting up for a quick roadside break or an extended stay at a campsite, the BONGO Camper is designed to make life on the road simple and enjoyable. Technology-wise, the 2025 BONGO Camper doesn't fall short. The drivers.